Hello, welcome. This is a 4-week beginner's keto meal plan. So what is the 4-week meal plan? So the idea is it's an introduction for you to keto friendly food and how to prepare keto friendly food. There's quite a variety within the meal plan also. So no carb counting, no working out macros, working out net carbs, no calorie counting, no dirty keto, clean keto, no keto please. So there are videos on how to prepare the recipes on the channel for every meal that is on the meal planner. The plan shows 3 meals per day plus an optional snack. It's an optional snack because what you may find is because of the quality and type of food that you're eating, you're not as hungry as you usually are. As such, you can miss a snack out or you can miss one of the meals out. If you're not hungry, then don't eat. So to complement the meal plan, we recommend that you undergo some form of exercise in the first 4 weeks. This doesn't mean signing up to a gym class or anything like that. It should be a type of exercise which is aerobic, which means you're able to do it while having a conversation, say, with somebody. An example would be walking, another one swimming, or even riding a bike. If you're doing this already, fantastic, continue to do that. Also available is a body measurement chart, again free to download. You would print it off, measure yourself, put all your measurements onto the chart and then just pop that onto your fridge. This would be as a motivation aid. So after 4 weeks you would measure yourself and weigh yourself again just to compare. So for these 4 weeks, as well as following the meal plan and starting to do some gentle exercise, it would also be beneficial for you to incorporate some form of intermittent fasting. So what is intermittent fasting and what do we recommend? It's nothing too complicated. We like to use the 16-8 method. So what does that mean? So that means if you finished eating your evening meal at 6 o'clock, on the evening you won't have anything else to eat until 10 o'clock the following day. If it's 7 o'clock in the evening, it's 11 o'clock the following day. So you will have an 8-hour window where you're able to eat and then a 16-hour window where you are fasting. Obviously you're fasting a lot of that anyway because you'll be asleep. So as well as the meal plan, the incorporating some exercise into your weekly routine and potentially starting some intermittent fasting, there's also another aspect: drinks. You're allowed water, black tea or green tea, coffee, again black. Drinks not allowed within the first 4 weeks, anything alcoholic, unfortunately. Because if you're trying to lose weight, then alcohol is not your friend.